Welcome to this video where we unravel the fascinating world of signal analysis. We often encounter signals that are simple and repetitive, but many real-world phenomena present complex data that changes dramatically over time. Today, we'll explore a powerful mathematical tool called the Wavelet Transform, designed precisely for these dynamic signals. We will begin by understanding why a cornerstone of signal processing, the Fourier Transform, sometimes falls short. The Fourier Transform is a fundamental concept in engineering and science. It brilliantly decomposes a signal into its constituent frequencies, revealing what pure tones make up a complex sound. Imagine a prism separating white light into a rainbow. Fourier does something similar for signals, breaking them down into their individual frequency components. It tells us which frequencies are present in a signal, making it exceptionally effective for analyzing stationary signals, those whose statistical properties remain constant over time. However, the elegance of the Fourier transform encounters a significant challenge with non-stationary signals. Consider a sudden spike in an electrocardiogram or the transient vibrations of an earthquake. These events contain frequency content that evolves rapidly. The Fourier transform provides a global view, giving us an average frequency content for the entire signal. It tells us if a frequency exists, but crucially fails to tell us when that frequency was present. This loss of temporal localization is a critical limitation for signals that change with time. To truly comprehend non-stationary signals, we need more than just a list of present frequencies. We require a method that can pinpoint specific events in both time and frequency. Imagine trying to describe a complex piece of music. Simply listing all the notes played isn't enough. You need to know when each note was played and for how long. This dual requirement for time-frequency localization is what motivated the development of more advanced analysis techniques, moving beyond the traditional Fourier approach. One early attempt to bridge this gap was the short-time Fourier transform, or STFT. This method involves applying the standard Fourier transform to small, overlapping segments of the signal, using a fixed size window. By sliding this window across the signal, the STFT generates a spectrogram, which offers a visualization of how frequency content changes over time. While an improvement, the STFT introduces its own inherent compromise. A wide window provides good frequency resolution but poor time resolution, while a narrow window offers the opposite. This fixed trade-off limits its adaptability. This is precisely where the intuition behind the Wavelet Transform shines through with a truly innovative approach. Instead of a single, fixed-size window, wavelets employ windows that can effectively change their size. Think of it like a zoom lens on a camera or a multi-resolution microscope. To capture broad features, you use a wide field of view. To inspect fine details, you zoom in closely. Wavelets are precisely this, adaptable, oscillating functions that can stretch and compress, allowing them to precisely adapt to different features within a signal. The magic of wavelets lies in their ability to achieve a flexible time-frequency resolution. A stretched wavelet covers a longer duration in time, which naturally corresponds to analyzing lower frequencies with better frequency resolution. Conversely, a compressed wavelet covers a shorter time span, allowing it to pinpoint higher frequencies with greater temporal precision. This adaptive scaling mechanism brilliantly overcomes the fixed window dilemma of the STFT. Wavelets thus provide a multi-resolution analysis, simultaneously analyzing various frequency components with appropriately scaled time windows. At the heart of the wavelet transform is a single function known as the mother wavelet, typically denoted as phi of t. All other wavelets used in the analysis are derived from this mother wavelet through a process of scaling and translation. Scaling the mother wavelet, represented by parameter a as phi of t over a, changes its width and consequently its frequency content. Translating the wavelet, represented by parameter b as phi of t minus b, shifts its position across the signal in time. Various mother wavelets exist, such as the hare, Dabashi's, or Mexican hat, each possessing unique properties suitable for different signal characteristics. The primary advantage of the wavelet transform is its localized analysis in both time and frequency domains. This makes it exceptionally powerful for processing non-stationary signals commonly found in fields such as speech processing, medical diagnostics like ECG and EEG analysis, and geophysical exploration for seismic data. Wavelets are particularly adept at detecting transient events, abrupt changes, or singularities within signals that would be blurred by traditional Fourier methods. Their application spans signal denoising, data compression, image processing, and advanced feature extraction, providing a richer, more accurate representation of evolving signal dynamics. In conclusion, while the Fourier transform remains an indispensable tool for analyzing stationary signals, the Wavelet transform offers a crucial complementary approach for the dynamic world. Its ingenious capacity to adaptively analyze signals across varying time and frequency scales makes it an essential instrument in modern signal processing. From uncovering subtle anomalies in medical data to enhancing the resolution of satellite imagery, wavelets empower scientists and engineers to reveal hidden patterns and glean deeper insights. Understanding this intuitive concept unlocks a powerful new perspective on how we interpret and interact with complex information.